all about Karnataka Counseling. The Karnataka Medical and Dental Counseling along with Ayush courses is conducted by Centralized Counseling Committee. The Karnataka Exam Authority KEA, set up in the year 1996. KEA is sole body to be involved in a form of educational counseling process taking place in the state of Karnataka. The counseling process is match of both online and offline method, where the procedure and the notifications are posted on www.kea.kr.nic.in and the offline processes at the KEA establishment in Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Karnataka has a total of 68 medical colleges and the 45 dental colleges, out of which 62 medical colleges and 38 dental colleges participating in state counseling. The following is a seat breakdown and in-depth analysis of seats usual competing for. Seat distribution 11,595 in KEA counseling 8,522 in government colleges 3,039 private colleges seats 5,295 deemed universities 188. Coming to NCC counseling 3,073 in that AIQ seats 572 deemed universities 2,362 IP words quota seats 139. KEA registration and uploading of documents, online document verification, NEET UG 2024 exam, NEET UG 2024 result, mock allotment, round 1 choice filling, releases of merit list and seat matrix, NEET roll number and score, final allotment, exercise of choices, round 2 choice filling, document submission, final report, and finally you can reach to the dreamed of medical college. Additional government seat reservation, special category seat reserved horizontal, Kannada 5% S, rural 15% S, Hyderabad Karnataka 8% S. Special category reservations, PH 249 seats, JK 24 seats, NCC 10 seats, SPO 7 seats, SG 5 seats, D 10 seats, XD 8 seats, AGL 1 seat, CAP 1 seat. Basic documents required: NEET UG admit card, NEET UG scorecard, 10th, 11th and 12th marks card, study certificates of all years issued by the institutions duly signed and sealed by the head of the institute only for the Karnataka domiciled candidates. Government ID proof, print of application filled during KEA registration, print of registration fees paid. If climbing to rural quota, rural study certificate from 1st to 10th standard for 10 complete years. If climbing Kannada medium quota, Kannada medium study certificate from 1st to 10th standard for 10 complete years. If climbing reservation benefits, caste or caste income certificate issued by the concerned Tahsildar for SC or ST in form of D, category in 1 in form of E and 2A, 2B, 3A and CB in form of F. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, please contact us to the website, the Bangalore Medical Coaching Center. Thanks and all the best.